Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play EA Sports like a pro. To truly excel, you must first master the fundamental controls and advanced techniques specific to each game. Understanding player ratings is crucial, as they directly influence on-field performance. Dedicate time to practicing skill moves and defensive strategies. Furthermore, learning to anticipate your opponent's moves and adapting your strategy in real time will give you a significant edge in every match. Moving beyond the basics, advanced tactics are key to professional play. Experiment with custom formations and tactical setups to create mismatches and exploit opponent weaknesses. Develop effective set-piece routines for corners and free kicks, as these can often decide close games. Strategic management of player stamina and timely substitutions are vital over a full 90-minute match. Always review replays to pinpoint errors and refine your in-game decisions. The mental game is just as important as your in-game skills. Maintaining focus and composure, especially during high-pressure situations, is paramount. Establish a consistent practice routine, dedicating at least 1 hour every single day to honing your craft. View every loss as a valuable learning experience, not a setback. Additionally, staying informed about game updates, patches, and meta shifts will ensure you always have a competitive edge. Finally, continuous improvement is a journey, not a destination. Actively engage with the competitive EA Sports community to exchange insights and strategies. Observe professional players, meticulously analyzing their gameplay to pick up new tricks. Participating in online tournaments provides invaluable experience and helps you test your skills against diverse opponents. Always strive to refine your unique playstyle and adapt to the ever-evolving challenges of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.